Power off your Lumos. Close the lid. Use the wrench to loosen the screw first. Rotate the screw till fully loosen the head. Remove the laser head. Place the laser head onto the protective cone. Rotate the laser head to ensure it connects into place properly. Connect the fan USB cable. Connect the USB cable. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Lumos laser. Plug the power cable into the power port on the back of the laser head. Connect the power supply. Connect the USB cable to the computer. Open the Make It software and click New Project. Select Blue Light. Switch to handheld mode. Select your design file. Copy the design. Paste the design onto the canvas. Adjust the size and position of the design. Rotate the design. Set the processing parameters. Click Start. Click Send. Disconnect the USB cable from the computer. Place a wooden board on the table. Paste the protective cone on the board. Ensure the engraving area is within the cone's coverage. Press the Start button to begin processing. Look how fantastic it is!